There's nothing to see here. Got this nice orange stairway, this cool iron guard railing. It's in wonderful shape. Light fixtures with exposed Romex. I mean, why use conduit or conceal the wires in the wall? Looks good to me. This homeowner is obviously an electrician. That looks good. Ceiling fans should be in a fan-rated box. Oh yeah, that looks great. This is a double-keyed lock. That looks good. We're in this house today, and this is the latest in interior design. What they were going for in here, let me show you. This is the latest in gas station bathroom. This looks like every Sunoco or Chevron or corner gas station that you've ever seen. It's a trend. Oh dear Lord, baby Jesus. What are they doing down here? And I tried to open this door. We will not be opening that today. This one goes out to my buddy Brent Fletcher. I wonder what that cord goes to. La, la, la. We'll trace it up here. Let's connect another one. Yep, that goes to the garage door opener. Don't do that. Well, to further the don't do that, we've got the dreaded Federal Pacific. Those of you with kids, you're going to understand this one perfectly. This room right here, this is the timeout room. So we're up here in this attic, and when I did the roof inspection, I noticed sealant around the chimney flashing. And a lot of people will say that's a proper repair. Check this out. There we go. There's your sealant for you. How's that looking? That right there is soaking wet. Proper chimney flashing never needs sealant. If you notice here in the diagram, that green section is step flashing. That's where you start. That's at the base of the chimney, and that tucks under the shingles. Then what you're supposed to do is cut grooves in the chimney and do counter flashing. In this diagram, I think they show that as cap flashing, but that's counter flashing. You will also notice that the green section of apron flashing at the bottom of the chimney is on top of the shingles. And if you look above the chimney, you're going to see something called a saddle flashing, or it's usually called a cricket. But this is to divert water and debris around the chimney so it doesn't sit behind it, which can create leaks. If it's properly flashed with metal or proper flashing, you don't need any caulking, mastic, you don't need any sealants. If you ever see that, that's a temporary measure, and that is going to require periodic re-inspections and reapplication of the sealant. So that means you got to crawl on your roof every year. In general, you're not supposed to see daylight through your chimney flashing. Good news, you got this TV antenna up here from 1974, so you can get the Brady Bunch. Yep, that's a big bunch of nope.